What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see historical stock data on Google Finance. Now guys, I'm on Google Finance here and I'm going to quickly just open up any stock. Now as you can see here on the you may be interested in, I'm going to choose for example Amazon. Right, so let's say you're on a stock page, and in order to view historical data, it is super easy and super clear. All you have to do guys is just simple look on the stock graph, and you will see that it's currently showing for the first day, but you have 5 days. If by clicking on these different points, you will be able to see historical data. So as you can see right here, it shows what it looks for 5 days, over the last 5 days, over the last month, over the last 6 months, over the last year, over the last 5 year, and at any point in time you can actually go ahead and just view and hover over the graph to see how things were at that point in time. And that's how you can easily go ahead guys and view historical data for those different stocks on Google Finance. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple guys. At any point in time you want to, let's say, compare two or more stocks historical data, you can also click the compare to, and you can add whatever stock that you want. So if I want to add it or compare it to the S&P 500, just an example, I can do that as well, and I can just add it to the list and just start to compare how things look from here. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.